Maryam, talk to us. Why is it important for you and the Mutual Aid Network to be doing this work out here on a Tuesday in the rain, filling up the Queensbridge Community Fridge?
I mean, because one day I'm going to need some help, and I'm not going to be able to fill the fridge. I'm going to need to come to this fridge and get some food for my family, or I'm not going to be able to make it to the grocery store, or I'm going to have a shit day and need to see what my community is doing to take care of itself. So, you give what you can, you take what you need, and that's the cycle.
Butterfly Mush, the artist, painted this fridge. Take what you need, leave what you can. Follow on Instagram now, Queensbridge Community Fridge. You see the Instagram. What do you think, what have you heard from the communities where these fridges are? Like, how have these fridges really benefited the community? Have you heard anything?
I mean, all I know is that everybody needs food to live. They need good, healthy, fresh food. And anytime we put food in any of the fridges in Astoria, food doesn't last that long.
My bad, bro. Excuse me.
Because even if you have a job, even if you have money, chances are you forgot yogurt, or your kid wants something you don't have. And this way you don't have to worry about it. You know your community's got your back. So we put all sorts of good food, meat, prepackaged food, fresh stuff.
Got some vegan options in there.
Got some vegan options in here. So that if you need something, you come grab it. And when you have too much or something to share, you come give it. That's it.
Absolutely. Thank you.